Here we have a 2007 Chaparral 246 bow rider. Very clean boat. Cockpit bow cover, bimini top. It's red and white. Has a Volvo Penta 8.1 liter, 375 horsepower, 228 hours on it. Extended swim platform. Transom walkthrough. Battery switch, power inverter. Sink, table, windscreen. Rated for 13 people. Depth finder. Tilt steering. Lots of seating. Here is the all the filler cushions are in here for the bow, and here is the pump out head. Very nice boat. Has snapping carpet. Check this one out at SkipperBud's.com. We do offer financing.